Hello students, my name is Antobre Opajo, social media maths teacher. You can check me on YouTube, Joshua Antobre, Facebook, Joshua Antobre, TikTok, Pa Antobre, Instagram, Pa Antobre. And what do? I show students how smart they can use the calculator, scientific calculator, to solve questions. Sometimes very complex questions that can take you minutes to solve. Within seconds, you are able to use the calculator to solve. I have a question here under vectors and mechanics. Let's see how best we'll be able to solve it using the calculator. You can go to my page, wherever, TikTok, Facebook, and even put a question there, and let's see how best we can be able to solve it using the calculator. So now let's go on to the question. The question is under vectors and mechanics. The question is under vectors and mechanics. It says find the magnitude and the direction of the resultant of the forces, these two forces, F1, 6i plus j, F2, negative i plus 4j. These are the answers. Now the solution, working by hand, see how tedious it is. Resultant force, you have to find the resultant force of the two forces, which will give you F5i plus 5j. Then to find the magnitude, you have to take the square root of the 5i and the 5j, which will give you square root of 50, or 5 root 2. For the direction, we need to represent this 5i and 5j on the Cartesian plane. That is positive 5 on the x-axis, positive 5 on the y-axis. So SOHCAHTOA, or Pythagoras theorem. If you have the sides of the opposite and adjacent, and you have to find the diagonal. So that will be tan theta. So tan theta will give you 5 over 5, which is equal to 1. So if you want to find theta, is find the tan inverse of 1, which will give you 45 degrees. Therefore, the magnitude and the direction is 5 root 2, 0, 45 degrees. That is B. So now let's see the calculator. So first of all, I go to mode, I press mode, I select complex. We solve this question under complex. So complex is 2. So I need to find the resultant. So I add the two forces. My first force is 6. I is under engineering. I plus j. J is not on it, so you just press the coefficient of j and leave it. Then you add the second force, which is negative I, so minus I, engineering, plus 4j, so 4. You close it. Now we press equal to, and it will give you 5 root 2, 45 degrees. That is B. Very, very, very simple.